Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the throttle trigger spring in your string trimmer, make sure the engine has cooled. We recommend performing this procedure with little or no fuel in the tank. Using a T20 Torx bit, unthread the 4 screws securing the throttle housing. Separate the 2 halves of the housing, and you can remove the old spring, if still intact. Before you install the new throttle trigger spring, confirm that the throttle cable is positioned in the housing, and reattach the cable to the trigger if necessary. Now align the spring in the housing, then realign the trigger so the end of the spring inserts into the hole in the trigger. Reposition the lockout lever if required, then realign the 2 halves of the housing. Rethread the screws to hold the assembly together. Refill the fuel tank if necessary, and your string trimmer should be ready for use.